Hey, this is my 2007 Hyundai Sonata right here, and I'm gonna put a new engineer filter. I got this one on Amazon. It's a Fram Extra Guard. Let me see how to do this here. I think what we need to do is undo these clips. That comes off, and there's a clip right here. And is there a clip? And there's a clip in the back right there. See if this lifts up. Yeah. Okay. So I undid the clamps. I'm just going to lift this thing up, and out comes the filter, like right here. Okay, nice. Just take that out. Okay. And let's look at it. Actually, doesn't look that bad. When did I put it in? Don't tell me that I didn't write it on here. Oh, but definitely it's dirty. It's definitely dirty. It needs to be replaced. So I got the Fram. That's the Fram Extra Guard here. And okay, looks like it's a perfect fit here. So that'll make my car breathe nicer. Okie dokie. So let me show you what I've done here though. I have on the side, I've written today's date, October 3rd, 2024, and it's 142,389. So I am gonna just, so I remember when I did this. So let's lift this thing up, and okay, we're gonna put this back in, just like this. Okay. Goes down, fits perfectly. That's nice. Okay, and it's in there just all in. Let's put this back down on top. And we got one clip here. Put that on. I've got, let's see, there's a clip right here. Let me grab that, and I will put that back on. And there's one clip right here. I'll put that back on. And there was one clip in the back, I'm pretty sure. Let me see if we can find that. And, oh, there's one clip down in here. Put that back on. And that was the 4 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're all done. And I did take, this is a 10mm nut right here. And I just tightened that up because it was a little loose. I took my little tool here and just tighten this up. I think that, there you go. There you go. That's this clamp, just to make sure that clamp and that's all sealed properly, okay? Alrighty, let's turn it on and make sure everything works here. Okay, I also added just a little bit of coolant to go from here to here to the full. Then I put almost a whole jug of windshield washer fluid. This is the all-season Super Tech, so that's good, and it sounds real good. It is running really smooth. This is on there tight. Don't hear any leaks. No air sucking anywhere. All right. Battery terminals look good, and so there you go. Nice. Once again, my 2007 Hyundai Sonata. It's great. And what do we have? 142,389 miles on it. It's good. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you have a really, really blessed day. I sure enjoyed making this video, and all the best to you.